Hey guys, I'm Pastor Caleb from Emmanuel Assembly of God, and today I'm here to talk about balloon animals at outreaches. Now, as some of you know, most of you probably don't, I used to be a professional balloon artist, actually hiring myself out to do balloon animals at different events. While I no longer do that full time, I developed a lot of skills for balloons during that time with that profession. So today I'm going to be talking about what balloons you use for twisting at these types of events, what brands, and a little bit about sort of how to just fill one up and tie it off as a real basics to get us started. So there's two main brands of balloons out on the market today, Vitalitex and Qualatex. Now, most people, professional twisters, use Qualatex, and that's what the preferred balloon is. And for every video that I'm making in this series, I'm probably going to use Qualatex balloons because that's what most people use. Vitalitex I actually prefer for twisting larger sculptures. I find the balloons are firmer, a little bit more difficult to work with, but they last longer. That matters, kind of, not really. Most kids are going to pop the balloons way before they have a chance of actually it mattering that it lasted for 2 weeks. Some kids it will last for 2 weeks, and the Qualatex is just fine to use. They're more readily available from more different suppliers, and honestly, that's what we're going to use. The second thing we're going to talk about is what kind of balloons. I just threw the Vitalitex balloons off to the side. These are called 260s. That's what we're going to be using is Qualatex 260s. There are other sizes, 160s, 350s, 646s. What that refers to is the size of the balloon. So these are 260s. Should be 2 inches in diameter, 60 inches long. That's the reason it's 2 and then 60. It's not 260 because that would be weird because it's 2 inches by 60 inches. And these are the balloons that we will be using for all of these videos. So how to inflate a balloon? We're going to take the balloon at the end of the nozzle. We're going to put it onto our pump like this. Now, most balloon creations are going to be 5 or 6 pumps. And we count our pumps by each stroke. This is a Qualatex 2-way balloon pump. So when you pull it back and when you push it forward, both count as a pump. So we're going to count, we'll fill this one up, 6 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now, go a little bit faster, it changes a little bit, but you know, that's a pretty good size of a balloon. So to tie it, we're going to take and pinch with our 2 fingers like this. All right, I've pinched the balloon. I'm going to reach with my right hand. I've pinched it with my right hand. I'm going to reach with my left hand under the balloon like this. Grab the nozzle. Wrap it under my 2 fingers like this. And now that's pulled behind. And I'm going to pinch that between my 2 fingers and then pull that over. And we've inflated the balloon. So I'm going to show you that one more time. This time with a color that you can probably see better because I am wearing black and I just filled up a black balloon. A pink balloon should have a nice bit of contrast to what I'm wearing. So we're going to fill it up 6 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, I'm going to grab it down here so I've got lots of tail. The more tail makes it easier to fill up or to tie really. Then we're going to grab here, arm under the balloon, grab it, wrap around 2 fingers, grab it, hold there between them, and pull that over. That's how you tie a balloon. I hope this helps.